Now we are going to discuss about phosphorus halides. Phosphorus forms two types of halides, namely PX3 and PX5. Here X represents a halogen which may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. Of these, chlorides are more common. These chlorides are covalent in nature. Let's learn in detail about the preparation and properties of phosphorus trichloride. Let's start our discussion with the preparation of phosphorus trichloride. In the laboratory, phosphorus trichloride is prepared by heating white phosphorus in a current of dry chlorine. Phosphorus trichloride can also be prepared by the action of white phosphorus on thionyl chloride. Now let's discuss about the structure of phosphorus trichloride. The central phosphorus atom in PCl3 undergoes sp3 hybridization and forms 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. Among 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, 3 sp3 hybrid orbitals will overlap with the 3p orbitals of chlorine and forms a covalent bond, and one sp3 hybrid orbital of phosphorus will have a lone pair of electrons. Due to the bond pair lone pair repulsion, it will have a pyramidal shape. Phosphorus trichloride will also act as a Lewis base due to the availability to donate its lone pair of electrons to other electron deficient ions or molecules. Now let's discuss about properties of phosphorus trichloride. It is a colorless liquid with a pungent smell. It has a very low boiling point of 74 degrees Celsius. Now let's move to the chemical properties of phosphorus trichloride. The first one is a reaction with water. Phosphorus trichloride reacts violently with water and gets hydrolyzed to form phosphorus acid and fumes of hydrochloric acid. The next chemical property is reaction of phosphorus trichloride with organic acids. Phosphorus trichloride reacts with organic compounds that contain hydroxyl groups such as acetic acid and ethanol to form phosphorus acid as the main product. Try to work out these questions based on phosphorus trichloride. Now let's study the preparation and properties of phosphorus pentachloride. Let's start with the preparation. Phosphorus pentachloride is prepared by the reaction of white phosphorus with excess of trichlorine. It can also be prepared by the action of sulfuryl chloride, that is SO2Cl2 on phosphorus. Now let's move to the structure of phosphorus pentachloride. The central phosphorus atom in phosphorus pentachloride undergoes sp3d hybridization and forms 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals. All the 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals will overlap with the p orbitals of chlorine. The geometry of this molecule will be trigonal bipyramidal. When phosphorus pentachloride exists in liquid or gaseous state, it is observed in trigonal bipyramidal geometry. The frequently asked question in the examination is, are all the 5 bonds in PCl5 molecule equivalent? If you take the PCl5 molecule, we know it has a trigonal bipyramidal structure and it has 3 equatorial PCl bonds which are equivalent, while the 2 axial bonds are different and they are longer than the equatorial bonds. This is because axial bond pairs suffer more repulsion as compared to equatorial bond pairs. This reason we have learnt in detail in class 11 under chemical bonding chapter. In the solid state, phosphorus pentachloride exists as an ionic solid. PCl4 plus PCl6 minus, in which the cation PCl4 plus has tetrahedral geometry and the anion PCl6 minus has octahedral geometry. Now let's study about the properties of phosphorus pentachloride. It is a yellowish white powder. Now let's move to its chemical properties. The first one is the reaction with water. With water, it can undergo partial hydrolysis to form phosphoryl chloride, that is POCl3. And upon complete hydrolysis, it forms phosphoric acid, that is H3PO4. The next chemical property is the action of heat. When phosphorus pentachloride is heated, it sublimes initially and then it decomposes upon strong heating to form phosphorus trichloride and chlorine gas. The next chemical property is the reaction with metals. When phosphorus pentachloride is treated with finely divided metals, it forms phosphorus trichloride and it gives corresponding chlorides. For example, when phosphorus pentachloride is treated with silver, it forms phosphorus trichloride and forms silver chloride. The last chemical property is the reaction with organic compounds. Phosphorus trichloride will react with organic compounds containing OH groups to form chloroderivatives. For example, when phosphorus pentachloride is treated with ethanol, the OH group in the ethanol will be replaced by chlorine to form ethyl chloride and phosphoryl chloride and hydrogen chloride. Students, kindly practice these exercise questions based on phosphorus pentachloride.